Happiness everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Leah Acebuche. If you're new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated of my latest video. Thank you so much po. On today's video, we will be making Raita yogurt sauce. Ano ba yung Raita yogurt sauce? If you have watched my video about biryani, you will see a sauce there na that perfectly combined with my biryani. So today, gagawin natin siya sa video na ito. Raita is a yogurt sauce for biryani. It serves as a cooling sauce sa sobrang spiciness ng biryani. This helps to lessen the spiciness of that biryani dish. Have you experienced dining in a restaurant and ordering for biryani na sinabi nyo, please not spicy, pero at the same time, dumarating pa rin siyang sobrang spicy? Commonly kasi talaga, ang biryani medyo talaga maanghang. So, meron silang Raita sauce na ibinibigay para ma-lessen up ang spiciness ng biryani. Raita can help you enjoy that delicious biryani dish. So today, ngayon gawin na natin ang Raita yogurt sauce. I hope you will like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click that like, share, and subscribe button. And the notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bago kong video. Thank you so much po. So stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. Happiness everyone! So stay blessed, stay safe, and stay healthy. Happiness, everyone!